Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you all you need to know on how to use layers in Illustrator on iPad. Number 1, create a layer. If you open up your layers panel, click on the plus icon. There you go, you have another layer. Number 2, delete a layer. To delete a layer, if you swipe to the left, click on the bin icon, your layer will now be deleted. Number 3, change the order of layers. Click on the stacking order icon and whatever object you've selected, when you toggle on the slider, it will move it within that layer. So these are all objects within one layer. So if you can also access it in the layers panel. If you open up the layer, you'll see all the objects in that layer and you can move it around. Whatever object in that layer you can move around and it will move the same way. Number 4, move a layer. To move an object in one layer to another separate layer, you can just open up your first layer that you want to, where you want to move the object. I'm going to draw a circle first in layer 1 and show you what I mean. So if I move that to layer 2, you'll see an error message come up. It's only because when you move it, you have to make sure it's blue when you hover over the next layer. And there you go. 5, lock a layer. To lock a layer, you just press the lock icon. You press it again to unlock it. Number 6, hide a layer. If you click on the eye, it will hide your object and then click on it again to reveal it back again. Number 8, rename a layer. If you swipe your layer to the left and click on the text edit icon, and then you can change the name of your layer and click on OK. You can also do this by double clicking on the layer and you enter it there again. Number 7, copy a layer. To copy, swipe to the left, click on the plus icon, and as you can see, we have another circle. Number 9, select multiple layers. To do this, you have to click on the hotkey and select the other layers, and it will select all of them. Well, that's it, guys. I hope that was very helpful. If you found it helpful, drop me a like and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. I'll see you on the next one.